In today's video, I'm going to be transferring my bedroom from this to my dream gaming room. And as you could tell by the thumbnail, the difference is insane. So make sure you guys stay till the end. So I'll give you guys a quick tour. So I made this in grade 8 and I've just thrown everything on there. Like that charging cord doesn't even work, so I don't know why I still have it. I got this painting from Mexico. It's supposed to be on the wall, but it isn't. My bed's really comfy, except this sheet always gets tangled with me when I'm sleeping. Got my TV, my Xbox, which is nice because I could lay in bed, watch YouTube, Netflix, whatever. But this desk, it's the perfect height, but I don't like the looks of it, so that needs to go. I got nothing over here, just a whole bunch of cords and stuff. Got a random chair sitting in the middle that I throw TikTok props on, like that's my wig. Got a whole bunch of clothes on the ground, a belt. This is really messy, I need to clean this up. Here's a TikTok prop, the phone. The glasses I've also used. I've used this in a video. And then to film the videos, I put my phone here. This ring light's broken, that's why I have the lamp there, so that's how I get my light now. Here's my closet. My hamper broke and I've just thrown everything beside it, I guess. I don't even know. My closet isn't that messy, but it's still messy. So that's pretty much all for my room. It's not that big, but I'll give you guys one more view of it and then I'll switch to what it looks like now. So I picked out what colors we're going to paint my room. This blue is going to be like a bright white, and then that brown is going to be charcoal gray type color. So I got to clean up this mess and move everything to the middle, and then we can start painting. I had a little bit of a problem. The tape was so sticky that it went right down to the drywall. So we're going to have to fix that up, but we're going to put the roof right here. So lots of it I'll cover up, but some of it I dip down, so I'll have to fix it up a little bit. It's been about 3 weeks and everything finally came in through the mail. This computer case was supposed to come on June 10th, but ended up coming today, which is June 22nd. So like I couldn't wait any longer, so I put this together because I didn't know how long this was going to be because it got delayed. So the only other thing I'm missing is this desk here. This is just what I'm using for now. I want to go to IKEA to get a white desk for my bedroom and put it in the corner here. But the closest IKEA is like 3.5 to 4 hours away from us. So hopefully by the end of this week I'll have it. But for sure by the end of this video I'll have it when I do my room tour. So I got these 3 2-meter LED light strips For one for sure is going to be behind the desk so it shines off the wall. I know that for sure. The other two I was thinking maybe behind my nightstand and one behind my dresser. Then this I was thinking underneath my bed somewhere. And then here's all the computer parts. And then I have this RGB gaming mouse pad. Then I got this Mecha Mini RGB keyboard. So I'm gonna try putting the computer together, but I'll speed it up so I don't bore you guys. We got it all put together, now we're gonna see if it starts. It works. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I convinced my dad to make this floating bed frame and I put the lights underneath it, so if I turn the lights off, it makes it look like it's floating, which I think looks good. And then yesterday we went to IKEA and I bought a few things like this dresser. I made it last night. Or not dresser. And I got some nice little plants. And then right here, I got the dresser in gray. I'll replace this bad boy. And then these are my old covers. I got some new ones that I have to put on. And there's just a couple small things, like I gotta paint the wood there. Put up a couple of things like these. Where did they go? Like these things on my wall, shelves. And then my room should be done. So I just wanted to show you guys something quickly. I just took out all the pieces to make the dresser from the boxes. And holy crap, they just kept coming. Like, look at all this stuff. I thought there was a lot for this one, and this thing took like an hour and a half or longer to make. So this is going to take years. There's all the screws and stuff. So, if you guys haven't already, make sure to go down and hit the like button. It only takes like a second of your time, and it helps me out a lot. So, thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed that cinematic masterpiece. Now I'm going to go through my room. So the first thing you notice when you walk in is the floating bed. Then over here we have the gaming setup. And if you guys are interested in buying anything or you want to check out the prices of anything in the video, all the links will be in the description below. And the one thing I wanted to do is make sure that there's no wires that can be seen so it looks clean. So right here, for these wires, we just drilled a hole and it's covered up. Then everything goes down here and it's all clean so you can't see anything hanging. The only thing that's plugged in is this to give power to everything else. And then for these, there's no wires hanging down from them. We actually have a wire going through the wall. And then in the laundry room, it comes out here and goes back in underneath the desk. Then over here we have the floating shelves, and I have my Xbox on there. It's not plugged in because I've just been using my computer. And then these IKEA plants. Then the Google Home Mini on my nightstand. And I use it to turn the lights on and off and change the color. Like, hey Google, turn the light panels to purple. So it changes the color. And then I got my new bed sheets. And then we put the TV mounted onto the wall so I could bring it out and then watch it laying in bed through the Google Chromecast that's plugged into the back. Basically, if you don't know what it is, I could hook up my phone to it and then mirror YouTube and Netflix and all that onto the TV. And then got another light bulb that changes color with my phone and Google Home Mini and everything. Then I cleaned up in here. And here's my ring light that I filmed TikToks on. I just throw it in the middle of the room, plug it in under there, and then yeah. And then I put the new dresser together. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to go down, hit the like button, and subscribe. I'm going to try to post once a week now. I just wanted to finish this video before I started any more because it was taking forever. And yeah, so let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. Thanks for watching.